So we have a ton of interesting updates here from Crypto.com. So we have to check them out, and plus we are kind of going up here. We have to analyze the chart to see what's been happening. So I recommend you guys watch the entire video to understand what is happening to Crypto.com and what's going to happen in the future. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell to get the latest updates about your favorite crypto. Okay, let's go. So here we are, CoinMarketCap cap. The market cap right now for Crypto.com is basically at almost $12 billion. The volume here did kind of go down by 6%, but we're still at $115 million. So pretty much we're still doing okay. As you can see, we're still trying to climb up here and go up. Still good things are happening. Trying to climb back to this high at basically 0.48. So pretty soon we should be able to go to there, but we're gonna see. We're gonna do some analysis. But before that, I want to talk about the year roundup. It says here on the Twitter, ahead of new beginnings in 2022, join us as we look back at our milestones from 2021 when crypto went mainstream. So 3 times growth in global crypto users, market cap crosses 3 trillion. By crypto and government corporation balance sheets, DeFi NFTs grow rapidly. GameFi metaverse take shape. So there you go. 2021, a banner year of Crypto.com. So FFTB campaign with Stable Center becomes Crypto.com Arena, partnership with Aston Martin, and deals with UFC, Lakers, and so many other ones. There's 100 plus new features across the Crypto.com ecosystem. So app now with 250 plus crypto exchange spot margin, derivatives plus mobile app, Crypto.com Visa card in 40 countries, including in 40 countries. So super cool to see. Crypto.com NFTs, so 150 plus creators like Aston Martin's and Snoop Dogg's 220 collection loaded lines. There you go. Major compliance and security milestones achieved on Crypto.com. So first global crypto platform to receive virtual financial assets plus electronic money license in Europe. Insurance policy up to $750 million. SOC 2 compliance via diluted audit. So there you go. Crypto.com move a blockchain forward. Crypto.org chain native blockchain launch in March, and Kronos chain EMV chain for DeFi NFTs and metaverse in November. So there you go. Pretty cool. This is all just so cool to see. It says here Crypto.com Capital helping other builders to advance blockchain. So venture armed with 200 million allocation for investments, accelerating the growth of early stage crypto startups, invested in 20 plus startups in 2021. We owe our achievements last year to our dedicated users. Thanks to everyone who supports us. Let's continue advancing crypto in 2022. Check out the recap here on their blog. So yeah, pretty cool things have been happening here to Crypto.com in the last year here. A lot of things. Of course, the price of the token here did skyrocket, if you do remember. So yeah, good things are happening. We got new things happening. We got the loaded lines here, their own Twitter being launching pretty soon here in the next couple of days. But also looks like we got a new NFT drop from the UFC at 270. So that's gonna be a huge drop here, I do believe. So if you are interested, do check it out for yourself. So yeah, it says US and Canada users exclusive, so gift card savings are here. Gift up to 20% back in Crow for AMC, Gap, Old Navy, and other ones here. So there you go. Pretty cool things are happening, like I said, here to Crow. They're adding new tokens here to the exchange, so that's pretty cool to see. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited to see what's gonna happen in the future, even more here to Crypto.com. So let's go. So this is a chart. This is what's been happening here to Crow for the last couple of days. Basically, as you can see here, we did enter this giant funnel, like this levels between basically 0.042 and basically, if you measure this, 0.49, almost 50 cents here. So what is happening and what's going to happen in the future here to these tokens? Basically, we did break down to the downside and hit this level at 0.42, but ever since then we did bounce off and we tried to get past this level, but we got heavily rejected here, and we even got like 3 times rejected. So it's not that good. We got 3 times rejected, but ever since then we started to stabilize. So maybe the key right now is stabilization. So stabilization is something that we need right now if we want Crow to continue to go up later on. Now why? Well, basically what's happening right now is because Bitcoin is stabilizing. I think like small cap altcoins are actually like just increasing right now, but the large ones are just not having a good time at all. So large cryptos are not having a good time at all. Some of them are. So we got FTM here, who is exploding, but most of them here are not doing so great. So if you check out Bitcoin here and we look at Crow at the same time, you can still see that basically it's pretty much the same here. Like the chart here is pretty much the same, exact same pattern here. So Bitcoin is still here doing a good job. Now why am I looking at Bitcoin? Like I said every single time, is that Bitcoin dominates the market, and most of what happens here, if Bitcoin goes up, there's a chance here the Crow will go up, but if Bitcoin goes down, then there's a chance that Crow also will go down with Bitcoin. So what is happening right now? We got rejected at this level, but a really good thing that's happening is that even if we are kind of destabilized right now, we're still making higher lows. So imagine this low here. Now the next low is higher than this one here. So that's still pretty cool to see. But the problem is we're making lower highs. So this high here and now this high here is getting lower and lower. So what's going to happen here? Well, basically it looks like we are forming a new triangle here. And I think if we just draw the triangle, we should be pretty close here to the edge of it, like to the end of this triangle. So I'm gonna delete all of these because these were some things I did show you guys in the past, like the funnel here where we did in the end stop and break through to the top side, which is pretty cool. Now if we measure this, we have to see what's been happening. So like I said, pretty much a new triangle here is forming, and yeah, we're pretty close here to the edge, or like to the end of this triangle. Mostly what happens when you see something like this kind of pattern is that we do break to the top side. Now we're not going to break to the top side if Bitcoin goes down eventually. So even Bitcoin here got rejected, but Bitcoin is basically making the exact same pattern here where we are again in this giant triangle here, and we're trying to break to the top side. So pretty soon we're going to see what's going to happen here. There is a chance that we should be able to go up, but if we don't, then we're going to get again rejected here, and probably what's going to happen to Bitcoin is it's going to go back down here to 39,000, like almost 40,000 here. But if that happens, that the exact same thing here will happen here to Crypto.com, where we are going to go back to 0.42. So that is a possibility here for Crypto.com that we do get rejected, so do remember that. But if we don't, then of course there's a huge chance here that we should be able to go up. Now how much can we go up? If we take our Fibonacci, if we place from here to here, you can actually see the next level is about 0.52, so 52 cents here. So can we reach 52? Well, yes, if we do break to the top side of this triangle here, but we have to be patient. We have to be patient to see what's gonna happen here. So yeah, look at this. This is how much we could be able to increase. That is the possibility here. That is the possibility here that could happen here to this token. But we're gonna see, like I said, if Bitcoin does continue, if it breaks to the top side, then Crow, like I said, has a massive chance here to actually go up also. The biggest problem here is that we are still in that bearish cross. But let's go here to the 1-day chart to see what's happening here. Not the 1-day chart, I want to see actually the 1 hour chart. So the 1 hour chart, did we make that bullish cross? Well, kind of. We are in that bullish cross. It does look pretty much okay. Yeah, this looked like a head and shoulders here reversed. So this is why we did go up in the end. But yeah, still the pattern here is showing that we are in this triangle here, and pretty soon a lot of things are going to start to happen. So hopefully we do break to the top side, and hopefully we do continue to go up. But we're gonna see what's gonna happen here. In the end, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. If you do want to invest into these coins, please do your own research first. If you did enjoy this video, it means so much to me if you can like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.